Good morning, my Master Ehsan.
Good morning, today Master Anis Khan.
How are you feeling today?
Alhamdulillah, I am in the best of health by the grace of Allah. Thank you, and you?
Alhamdulillah, I am also great by the grace of Allah. Thank you.
I will love to ask some important sentence. Will you like to translate in Rohingya language?
So you can ask me whatever you want. I am all set to respond the clearest way.
To be bakos.
You are interested too much.
To be bakon niki.
Are you interested too much?
Iti bishmate.
They are talking too much. He is talking too much.
To be bakos.
You are interested too much.
To be bakon niki.
Are you interested too much?
Iti bishmate.
He is talking too much.
Iti bishmate niki.
Is he talking too much?
Ibe bishi dure.
She is running too much.
Ibe bishi dure niki.
Is he running too much?
Tara are tokolide.
They are bothering too much.
Tara are tokolide niki.
Are they bothering too much?
Text dear Master Anis Khan. No can ask like me.
To be feeling soft.
We are watching movies too much.
To be feeling soft niki.
Are you watching movies too much?
Are we fan hai?
We are swim battle too much.
Are we fan hai niki?
Are we swim battle too much?
To be out of.
I'm walking too much.
I be shari.
I'm walking too much.
I be shari niki.
Am I walking too much?
Thanks for a great presentation.
Most welcome.